What if I told you that one of the most eye-catching Chinese New Year performances in 2026 wasn't done by a human at all, but by a humanoid robot wielding a sword like a wuxia hero? During the year of the Firehorse celebrations, Beijing-based Robotera unveiled its L7 robot in a full-on traditional sword dance, and it's honestly the kind of thing that makes you do a double take. Robotera has been developing the L7 in collaboration with Tsinghua University since its debut in mid-2025, and for this showcase, they leaned heavily into martial arts storytelling. The routine draws inspiration from the legendary Dugu Nine Swords style, and Chinese outlets even nicknamed the robot after Ling Huchang, the famous wuxia swordsman associated with that technique. So this wasn't just a tech demo, it was a cultural moment with a sci-fi twist. The L7 stands 171 centimeters tall and weighs 65 kilograms. It's built from titanium and carbon fiber, which keeps it lightweight but sturdy. What really sets it apart, though, is its flexibility. The robot features 55 degrees of freedom across its body. Each arm has 7 degrees of freedom, and its hands combine for 12 more. That kind of articulation allows for incredibly precise control, especially when you're talking about something as demanding as swordplay. It can swing, redirect, and stop the blade mid-motion without any visible hesitation. The performance starts quietly. The L7 stands still in a courtyard, sword in hand, waiting for the music. As traditional beats kick in, it eases into motion. A step forward, a sharp flick of the wrist, and suddenly, the blade is carving clean arcs through the air. It transitions into fast thrusts that halt perfectly at full extension. Then, it raises the intensity. The robot leaps, rotates, and swings the sword overhead in smooth, confident motions. Spins and twirls follow, and somehow the blade never comes close to clipping its own limbs. Everything looks calculated and controlled. Balance is where it really shines. When it pivots, its feet plant and rotate with pinpoint accuracy. High-speed slashes blend into slower, deliberate cuts. One moment, the blade sweeps low toward the ground. The next, it slices upward in a powerful overhead strike. Even after jumps and quick directional changes, it lands cleanly, without wobbling or scrambling to stabilize. The routine builds momentum before ending in a composed stance, sword extended as if frozen mid-story. We've seen the L7 attempt breakdancing and 360-degree spin jumps in earlier demos, but sword work demands even tighter coordination. The robot has to synchronize the movement of its entire body with the rhythm of the music while managing a fast-moving object in its hands. At certain moments, it even adjusts its grip mid-swing, without dropping or fumbling the blade. That level of control is not easy to pull off. And this isn't just about putting on a show. The L7 is designed for real-world applications. It can reportedly reach speeds of up to 4 meters per second and is aimed at logistics and service roles powered by its onboard AI. The sword dance is more like a statement. It shows that the hardware and software are advanced enough to handle fluid, dynamic, and high-pressure sequences. Watching a humanoid robot perform a traditional sword routine during Chinese New Year feels like a meeting point between heritage and high-tech. It's a reminder of how far robotics has come. If a machine can execute a complex martial arts dance with that level of grace and precision, it makes you wonder what other boundaries are about to be crossed.